Okay, this is the moment of truth. Let's stick in the good old connector. Let's find the app that's gonna make our lives happy today. The Hubsan app. Let's just start now. Oh, I have red, and then start now. Mini SC, so enter device. We should have everything ready and up and running. Okay, we're gonna do a quick liftoff. This is the button that helps save the day. You can cancel it now. They've listened, which is so good, so good. We should be able to just go now. It's connected. There we go. We've got image. Let's double check and triple check that this is running, because we need the screen record to be running as well. Is the screen recording running? It is. Fantabulous. Hubsan, here we go. So we're going to lift the drone up. There we go. The weather is not as good.
Please be mindful of the new return
as it was last time. We need that gimbal down so that we can see the Captain Drone Mobile. There it is. Awesome. Now, we also need to go and get it into following and active track. We have to aim it. We have to aim it. Let's scooch the vehicle back a little bit. There we go. Maybe we have to lift the drone a little bit more in order for active track to work. Let's see. The Captain Drone Mobile is in shot. The drone is shifting a little bit. It is windy today. I'm not sure if I'm still not high enough. Maybe I need to go just a little bit higher up. Let's bring that Captain Drone Mobile further back still. Let's make sure that it's nice and shot. To the right. Forward a little bit more. Okay, let's try this again. Following, active track. Here we go. Understood. Let's trace it. There we go. Traced. It's got a lock on. I'm gonna say go. And let's see how we do. Ready and let's go. It's doing well. It's doing really well. So let's see what happens now. Wow, the trim is really off of the Arma. Ooh, the Arma does a jump, and I think it's still following the Arma, no problem. The trim is really off when the steering on the Arma. I'm not sure what's going on here with that. Can't remember. But anyway, the Arma is there. The drone is following the Arma, no problem, like a champ. I don't know, what is it? Channel. It's steering which way? To the right a little bit. Hey, this is pretty cool, guys. The Arma is not a slow vehicle like the Ishin truck. It's gonna go over a bump. Whoa! And the drone is just holding on to it. Oh, problem with the camera. The camera just came right off the vehicle. And it's jumping around it, so that's not cool. What can we do with that? Let's see. Detach the camera. If possible. Camera and boom. hopefully the problem has been resolved. The drone is still doing like a champ. Let's see, battery and all that stuff. Is it still able to follow the car? Yeah, it is. It's great. So crisis averted. Let's keep going. Look at this thing. It's fantastic. Over to the jump. Bam. It still has it in focus. I can't believe how amazing this is. It keeps following it, no problem. Very impressive. It's beeping something. I don't know what that's all about. We should still have 85% battery and stuff, so, but something is beeping. So I don't know what that is about. Make another jump. Whoa! Woohoo! Still has it. I just don't know how they did it, because I've tried some other tracking systems and they all sucked horribly. But not this one. Hubsan is unbelievable. Let's put it back on there so we got that little ramp thing going. Yeah. Wow, guys, I am really enjoying myself. It's like you really have your very own cameraman, and unbelievable. See if we can get this ramp one more time. Whoa! Here we go. I missed it this time. Let's try it again. I'm having some issues with range on the Arma, or the Arma's battery is doing something funky. I don't know. Arma, come on. Okay. We've lost, the tracking did not work at this point and lost tracking for a second. So that was probably my bad. Something went astray. But here, the drone is coming back and it really handles stuff like a champ. So I'm gonna bring it back. I'm gonna take a quick look at that awesome Captain Drone Mobile. And as usual, things happened in between that were not the best, but that was entirely the Arma's fault, and mostly the camera glue that I did was not great. My gluing it on requires more glue than that if you want to go over jumps. Apparently, that was not the best. But again, my fault. I'm just impressed at the ability. It tells me that the target is lost. We know that. Come down a little bit more. Come on, little drone. We want to go in for a landing. We do not want to land on top of the car, but land in place. Okay.
Landing.
Oops. Come on, gimbal. The gimbal is responding very, very slowly. I don't know what this beeping sound is. It's super annoying. But it's happening. I don't know what it's all about. Anyhow, guys. If it hadn't been for the beeping of doom, this would have been the absolute perfect flight. And there we go. Thanks for watching. I think performance was impressive. And I'll turn off the beeping. I don't know why it started beeping anyway. Maybe it's the remote control that was running out of battery or whatever it was. I have no idea, guys. Sometimes things just happen and I don't know what they are, but they are and they happen. So man, good times. Anyway, let's turn off the drone. The drone was a champ today. Come on, turn off. Perfect. And so there we go. Let's go check out that Captain Drone Mobile, which was fantastic. I'm not sure what's going on with the camera right now. Oh, because it's in the holder, so the top of the thing is doing what the thing does. Anyway, there we go. The Arma did its job. Everything turned out just fine, hunky-dory. And there we go. I'm gonna leave you with this image, and I'll see you all in the next one if I can find the button. Cool.